Welcome to our video on the solar system. This vast and fascinating system of planets, moons and other objects has captivated humans for centuries, and we're still learning new things about it every day. In this video, we'll take a tour of the 8 planets in our solar system and learn more about each one. Let's start with Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun. This small planet has a heavily cratered surface, with temperatures ranging from extreme heat during the day to freezing cold at night. Mercury has a thin atmosphere, making it susceptible to solar winds and cosmic rays, which have shaped its surface over time. Despite its small size, Mercury has a lot to teach us about the early formation of the solar system and the processes that shaped it. Next, we have Venus, a sister planet to Earth. Venus has a thick, toxic atmosphere composed mainly of carbon dioxide and nitrogen, which traps heat and creates a greenhouse effect. This results in surface temperatures hot enough to melt lead. Despite being similar in size and composition to Earth, the vastly different conditions on Venus make it an unlikely candidate for supporting life. Nevertheless, Venus remains a subject of interest for scientists and a target for future missions to study its unique environment. Of course, we can't talk about the solar system without mentioning our very own home planet, Earth. Earth has a dynamic atmosphere, with winds and weather patterns that shape its surface and support life. The Earth also has a strong magnetic field, which protects it from harmful solar and cosmic radiation. Earth's diverse ecosystems and abundance of life make it a unique and precious gem in the solar system, and it's up to us to take care of it. Mars, the red planet, is next on our list. Mars is the 4th planet from the Sun and is known for its reddish hue, caused by iron oxide on its surface. Mars has a thin atmosphere, but it still holds evidence of water on its surface in the form of dried-up riverbeds and ice caps. The possibility of past or present life on Mars continues to be a subject of intense study and exploration, with several missions planned or underway to uncover its secrets. Jupiter, the most giant planet in the solar system, is a gas giant with a colorful and dynamic atmosphere. Jupiter has a strong magnetic field and is surrounded by a system of moons and rings, making it an impressive sight in the night sky. Despite its size, Jupiter is still not well understood, and ongoing studies aim to unlock its secrets and learn more about the early formation of the solar system. Saturn, with its iconic rings, is another gas giant in the solar system. Saturn has a similar composition to Jupiter, but it's smaller and less dense. Saturn's rings are composed of small ice particles and rock, and they continue to captivate astronomers and the public alike. In addition to its rings, Saturn has a system of moons, some of which are actively shaping the planet's environment. Saturn is a planet of many mysteries, and ongoing research aims to uncover more about this beautiful and fascinating world. Uranus, the 7th planet from the Sun, is a gas giant with a unique feature: it rotates on its side. Uranus has a complex atmosphere, with large storms and high-speed winds, and it's surrounded by a system of moons and rings. Despite its distance from the Sun, Uranus continues to be a subject of study and research, as scientists work to understand more about its unusual rotational axis and the processes that shaped it. Finally, we have Neptune, the last planet in our solar system. Neptune is similar in size and composition to Uranus, but it's much further from the Sun. Neptune has a dynamic atmosphere, with large storms and high-speed winds, and it's surrounded by a system of moons and rings. Despite being the furthest planet from the Sun, Neptune continues to captivate astronomers and the public with its beauty and mystery. Ongoing research aims to uncover more about this distant world and the processes that shaped it. Conclusion. And that concludes our tour of the solar system. From Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun, to Neptune, the furthest planet, each world has its own unique characteristics and mysteries waiting to be uncovered. The solar system is a dynamic and fascinating place, and ongoing research will continue to reveal more about its origins, evolution, and the processes that shape it. Thank you for watching, and we hope you learned something new about our incredible corner of the universe.